Hello and welcome to another Jonathan 1990 country walk. Today I'm heading to Langdale End to cover this adventurous classic 1994 walk with 3 star points, which will be Langdale Rigg, Langdale Viewpoint, and also Stockland Beck in Langdale Forest. So let's begin. So this is where you start. This is just actually before the village of Langdale End, and I'm gonna be going up that rig there, which is the first star point of the trail. St Peter's Church there at Langdale End. So you've got the pub here and the old chapel next to it in Langdale End. So it's not that rig that you're climbing, but one similar to it. So it's that place up there where the first star point is. So just about here you go through a gate and into the field you see ready to climb the hill. Yeah, this is the first field on this channel, with many more to come, hopefully. So this is now heading up the hill, coming up to the first star point now, which is a view over to Langdale End, and there's Wycombe Forest over there. So this is the top of the hill, which is the first star point, and you've got a view there over to Broxer Forest, which you can see. And over there is to Langdale End. And here you've got the gorse bush. Another great view over here. So yeah, this is the very top of the hill, which is this field here, which is the star point. Plenty of views, and then Langdale Forest coming up in a bit. So this is the first star point, almost done. This is where you enter Langdale Forest here. So I've now entered Langdale Forest, and you just follow this path here to the next star point, which you're not going to want to miss, and where the Blue Man Walk used to go, which I'll explain in a bit. Okay, just round here. So this is where you meet the Blue Man Walk, and this is one of probably a couple of only signs that still remain. The Blue Man Walk was a 16-mile long walk that started at Reesty Bank car park in Broxer Forest and went all the way to Alliston. I got the chance to do it in 2015 before they took down all the signs in 2016. So yeah, you come to the second star point, which is this view right over Langdale Forest and probably to Dalby Forest as well. So it's down the hill now. So there's the other end of Langdale Rigg, which I think the walk actually goes over, but I'm sticking to the forest, which is exactly where this walk goes next. So you come to this like junction here, and when the weather's really bad, this path here is treacherous now that you follow through Langdale Forest. The path through Langdale Forest, this is. So this shows you where I just was, up in that woodland up there, and I've come right down here now. So you head down a little path here through the trees. This is after crossing a track which is the Whitby to Langdale End more to sea route. Keep heading downhill through the trees here. So you cross a track here, but keep continuing on downhill to where the Beck is and the third and final star point of the Langdale Rigg Forest Trail. Oh, so yeah, keep going down this track to the third and last star point of the trail, which is the Beck at the end. So yeah, there is a bridge here where you cross the Beck. And start heading up here. You cross another forest track and then continue on up here, still through the trees. So yeah, keep following this path through all the trees. So last time I did this walk I had to turn back here because it got really dark and it wasn't good doing this walk in the dark, but the walk does continue on further this way now. It's downhill again. I think this actually goes to the actual third star point, which is the stepping stones, which I couldn't do last time. So the path does get quite narrow now down here as it winds through the trees. Okay. Oh, this bit is quite a challenge. What you do is you go straight down on your bum here because it's not been very well maintained, this path, since 1994. So now you've got to go sliding down this bit here, straight down here. Yeah, and to this another sliding bit now, and it is very prickly on your bum. Oh, better not go down there. Yeah. So I've made it to where the beck is here, but there isn't any stepping stones. You've just got to like jump across it. It's going on. So now you've got to try and find where the path is through all this. Just found this little grassy area now and begin to get a little bit lost, so I'm just staying to this like track through here to see if it goes anywhere. And this is where I've just come from, in those trees there, where I was sliding down the bank in there. Oh, I just fell into a deep puddle, and this seems to be going back in the trees again up here, so I'll have to see where it actually comes out. So we've decided to take this way now, because it is a path and it's looking promising. There's like a heaven up there if you're watching this video right now. So this brings you out at a very random forest track here. So I'm gonna go this way, follow that heaven light. Hopefully it brings me out somewhere. Oh, I don't know if this is the walk anymore, but I am sticking to this path. Hopefully it can take me to a track that takes you back to Langdale End. But yeah, there's all these trees here. So I've made it to a safer forest track here, which should hopefully go back to Langdale End. So yeah, it has brought me out in the right place, that path. So here you come to like another junction, and Langdale End is to the right, so must be getting near now to the end. So I just keep walking down this path now that's going on forever, but hopefully it leads to Langdale End. So I've just passed a house hidden in the middle of the forest here, but there is a gate ahead which looks good. So I've actually come to a road here, and there are caravans over here, so that only means one thing: Langdale End must be getting near. So I'm at another road here. This has to be the road that takes you back to Langdale End. So you get another view over to Langdale Forest there up the hill. So I'm still going along the road here, and just passed through a farm, and it just seems to be going on. Just seems to be skirting around Langdale Forest, which you can still see over there. So I've gone wrong. Langdale End is actually over there, and I've been walking away from it. Yeah, so as I do the pheasant, because I've already done a lot of filming, I'm going to try and find out how to get to Langdale End and stop the film for now. So I've made it back to Langdale Forest and the point where the road went left and right. This time I'm going left for sure. Hopefully it will lead me back to Langdale End. So you've got another stream that runs down here. Yeah, it has gone a bit wrong, or probably a lot wrong today, as this walk. I've just come out here after climbing up another hill, and yeah, I think I know where I am, but it's not Langdale End. This is not Langdale End. This is not Langdale End at all. I have to walk 2 more miles down the road. This is actually Bickley, and I'm near Dolby Forest. Well, I'm now pointing the camera to the bit where I should have gone, where the walk really does go. It comes out of Langdale Forest there, and the bit I went wrong was I shouldn't have gone bottom shuffling down that banking. So if you're doing it, you turn off down one of those tracks right there. So I'm gonna round the video up now and edit it while I walk back to Langdale End here. There's so much to do, I might just upload it to YouTube. So the next walk is under 1 mile long, a very short one I've got planned for Friday, so what could possibly go wrong on that one? So until then, it's bye for now. Yeah, and there's Langdale Forest, one last shot of it.